At the Google I/O conference in Mountain View, California, on May 10th, Google is anticipated to officially unveil the Google Pixel Fold, the company's first foldable phone. Prior to that, the phone's design, pricing information, and important specifications were all very well exposed in two separate leaks by reputable tipsters, Cuba Wojciechowski and John Prosser. Prosser followed by providing a comprehensive list of specifications and some close-up images of the foldable. He also mentioned two storage options for the foldable, 256GB, which costs around $1,800 and is available in either chalk or obsidian colors, or 512GB, which is only available in obsidian and costs about $1,920. A 5.8 inches OLED outside display with a noticeably wide 17:4:9 aspect ratio, Full HD Plus resolution, and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz is included in the foldable, according to Prosser's sources. The 7.6 inches OLED inner display has a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz and a more tablet-sized 6:5 aspect ratio. The camera block on the Pixel Fold appears to be identical to the one on the last Google flagship device, the Pixel 7 Pro, although it sticks out on the Pixel Fold rather than blending into the rear cover like it does on Google's other phones. The cameras themselves, however, are essentially the same as those on the Pixel 7 Pro, a 48-megapixel camera with an f1.7 aperture and an 82-degree field of view serves as the primary camera. The foldable camera also features a 10.8-megapixel ultra-wide lens with an f2.2 aperture and 121.1-degree field of vision, as well as a 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and a 20x super resolution zoom that is. Since the Pixel 7 Pro can record 4K video at a frame rate of 60 frames per second, the Fold may actually perform worse in this area than its flatter predecessor. You must lower the resolution to 1080p if you want that many frames per second while recording video with the Fold. The 9.5-megapixel, f2.2, 84-degree field of view front-facing camera on the outside display is nearly equivalent to the selfie camera on the Pixel 7 Pro. The 8-megapixel, f2.0 camera that is mounted on top of the interior display will mostly be used for Zoom and other video chat calls. According to the source, the Pixel Fold will combine a Titan M2 security processor with Google's own Tensor 2 chipset, most likely the Tensor Gen 2 that made its debut in the Google Pixel 7 back in October. Additionally, it will have 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM in all of its variants. In terms of size, the Pixel Fold is said to be shorter when folded than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Pixel Fold will reportedly be 5.5 inches tall by 3.1 inches wide and 0.5 inches thick, with a weight of 283 grams. However, like with many leaks, this information might not exactly represent the finished product that we anticipate being unveiled at Google I/O in a few weeks.